Hello friends, today we are at Mississauga Drive Test Centre. We are going to go to G2 test route. They have got two routes. Both routes we are going to go to one by one. At the end of the video, I am going to show you how to do the parallel parking and back parking and three-point turn one by one. Watch that part also. And if you still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Let's go to Mississauga G2 route number 2. You have to park in this parking lot here, and then the examiner will tell you take left here, look around, anyone coming, no one coming, will take left here. Yes. When you go through this area, make sure check all the pedestrians, all the cars. So many cars are coming around here. Be careful around there. And so see this driveway, somebody may be coming. And when you go through this area, be careful. So many pedestrians walking around here. Because of the snow, they are walking on the road. So be careful. Watch pedestrians, give them the space. Sometimes like cars are coming from the opposite side fast. Look up for them also. Make sure check everywhere around there. Look around the driveways, look everything. Yeah, look around there. Anyone there? No one. See, this stop sign is only for you. You have to stop here completely. Check everything. No one coming on our way. That's it. Good. Yeah, look around there. Go straight. See this stop sign? We'll take a left from there. Mirror signal blind spot. Go left here is always stop sign. You have to stop at the white line. Complete stop. Somebody standing before us. Let them go. Yes. Good. Yeah, we'll take a left here now. And there's two lanes here. We'll go to the first lane here. And then mirror signal blind spot. Change it to right lane. Speed limit is 50 here on the Merit Drive, and on the route number 1 we went to left from that area route. Route number 2 we are going to right from that area route. So keep in this lane only, and then we will take a right from the next traffic light. Speed limit is 50 here. Right indicator, check blind spot, look around everywhere. So we say red light, we will stop here complete. Red light, no matter what, you have to stop here completely. Then check anyone coming in our way. No one is coming. Yeah, we can take a right to rightmost lane. The speed limit is 70 on Dairy Road. Go straight there. Look around, check. Look around, look all the driveways. Anybody can come out from there. Yeah, go straight there. And when you stop behind any car, we should be able to see the wheels of the car on ground. That's the right place to stop. Don't go stop too far. Don't stop too close also. Sometimes I've seen people they can't even read the number plate also. That's okay, but you don't have to stop like that. Yeah, like this green. Check both sides. Check both sides. Yeah, look around. Yeah, look all the intersections. Everything you have to check it. Next traffic light, we will take a right. That's Edwards Boulevard. We'll take right here. Mirror signal blind spot. Enter from the corner. We'll go to the right lane. Yeah, and light is green, and it's a yield sign here too. But if nobody is coming in our way, we can take a right. If anybody coming, we have to stop for them, but no one is coming. It's a right lane, and then change it to left because of it's a lot of snow here. Examiner may tell you to take left also, but because of snow also you can take left too. But then they will take you left from the first street here. Mirror signal blind spot. Don't touch yellow line. Go from the white line only. Take left here. No one is coming in front of me. I can take left. See, there's some cars are standing here. I have to touch the yellow line. That's okay. You don't have to touch otherwise. But if the cars are standing there, don't go too close to the cars. Right? So even if you have to touch the yellow line, that is still okay. No problem. And somewhere here they will ask you 3-point turn, parallel parking in this street. I'm not going to do any 3-point turn or parallel parking in this street. For that you can watch my another videos. I teach there nicely how to do 3-point turn parallel parking. We'll make a U-turn around here. They will not make a U-turn in exam, but we are making it just to go back. And somewhere here they will ask you uphill and downhill parking, 3-point turn, parallel parking with these cars. Just go around here. Be careful. So many cars are standing here now. So look around, look all the driveway, see anybody taking their car out. Everything you have to watch it. We'll take left on the next stop sign, enter from the corner, and see there's no line here, or you can see like very not visible line. So we have to stop here completely, and then we can see on the other side. You have to go a little further ahead. Check. Anybody coming? Yes, one car is coming. I have to watch for that car. Yeah, nobody's coming after that. Yeah, I can take left. Go to left and go to leftmost lane here. Left to leftmost, and then mirror signal blind spot, change it to right. MSB, change it to right, like this. And see that lane is turning to the right. We are going straight here. Mirror signal blind spot, change back to left. Sometimes the exam they will take you right also, but usually they take straight here, so you have to change back to the left. Go straight from here. This is always stop sign. Stop at the white line, complete stop. Yeah, no one coming. Yeah, we are the first one. We'll go first. Yeah, we'll go straight here. Speed limit is 50 here on Edward Boulevard. We'll take a right from the next stop sign. We'll take a right here, right indicator, and this again always stop sign. We'll take a right here. That's the Superior Boulevard, and speed limit on the Superior Boulevard is 50 only. Complete stop, check both sides, and then go right, and then go straight here. You go straight. See that the one lane become a 2-lane after that. So by default, keep to the rightmost lane. For that examiner won't tell you. If they tell you to keep in middle lane, that's also okay. But if they don't say anything, just keep in the rightmost lane. To stop here completely. Stop completely. When standing at the red light, don't keep on looking at the light. Look for the side, look for the pedestrian. One pedestrian is walking in front of me. That's okay. Look on the sides, look in the back mirror, look in the sides also. And you can keep in left, this left lane also. Sometimes examiner say no, keep in that middle lane only. That's also okay, no problem. See, the examiner is the final authority. Whatever they say, just to do that. Because of sometimes, but because of the snow and all, you cannot see the lines. Everything is not visible. So, but sometimes the examiner they change a little bit here, there. So that's okay. Just listen what the examiner say and do that. Keep on checking for the light. Yeah, our light is green. Check both sides. Look around. Everything is good. You're going straight here. It's a Superior Boulevard. Speed limit is 50 here. Keep in the right side. Speed limit is 50 here. Look all the driveways. Everything is good. One car is coming behind me. Check back mirror every 5 seconds. We'll take a right from the next stop sign. That's again Adarsh Drive. And we'll take a right here, complete stop first. See, line is not visible here. Stop before the crosswalk, and no one coming. We'll take a right here. See, we have to get right to rightmost lane here, but see here this one, because of snow sometimes it's not visible, so be careful, okay? And then examiner will tell you take left from the next stop sign where are signals blind spot. Go to the left lane, and we'll take a left on the next stop sign. Complete stop there. Left indicator blind spot. Go from the white line there. Don't touch yellow line. Go from the white line, and you have to stop at the white line here. Complete stop. Who came first? That car came first. So stop here both sides. Yeah, let him go. Then we will turn left. Take a left here, we'll go straight. It's a long side drive. Check both sides. And when you enter from here, again, it's very careful. It's a very small road and small very sharp turn there. Make sure that don't go too much on the left side. Keep on the right side. Some cars are coming. Some pedestrians are also coming. Make sure check around everywhere. Look around. No one is coming in our way. Look, any pedestrian coming, no one is here. We'll take a left here. And then examiner will tell you to maybe do back parking or front parking. For back parking, you can watch my another video. And we'll park here front. And park here. Good. And then examiner will tell you that congratulations, you pass your test, you meet ministry standard. Congratulations, you will pass your test. And for the parking, parallel parking and back parking 3.10, don't forget to watch my other videos. Best of luck.
Let's go and do parallel parking between the two cones and go beside the first cone. Keep 1 meter distance from the cone and look for the first cone from the back window like this. See cone in the back window, then turn one time to right side, only one time, okay? And then come back and see the same cone behind the right mirror like this, yes, like this, and then turn all the way to left, and here you go, your car is parked between the two cones like this. That's it. That's a perfect parallel parking between the two cones. Let's do 3-point turn today. First pull over on the right side, check mirror, signal blind spot and pull over on the right side at the right place like this. And then look around everywhere, everything is okay, no one coming, put left indicator on, look around and then turn left. Go until you can see the curb under the left corner like this. Yep. And then put right indicator, turn all the way to right and come back. And when you can see the curb under the front corner of the back window, yeah, like this. Right? Then put left indicator, look around and then turn left. That's it. This is what called 3-point turn. Parking number 2. Keep your car as far as possible from the parking lines and keep your shoulder in the middle of number 1. Exactly in the middle of the number 1 and keep your car as far as possible. Then turn fully whichever parking lot you are going to go. That's it. Your car will go straight into the parking lot. Look how nicely we came inside. That's it. Okay, we are going to park in number 1. Okay, you have to park here in number 1. Skip number 2. And make sure go in the middle of number 3. Exactly your shoulder should be in the middle of number 3. And match your middle with the parking lot. And then turn fully left or right, whichever side you are going to park, that side. And look around and look at the side where your car is going. And here you go, your car will be in the middle of the parking lot of number 1. See, when your car is coming straight and after that straighten the wheel, yes, and go back straight inside and look back. When you're going back, always look back so that you don't hit any other car in the back there. Always look whichever side you're going. See how nicely we are into the parking lot. Hope you like my video. If you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. My name is Adarsh Chawla from AIAC Driving School. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more tips and resources to pass your G or G2 driving test in Ontario. And don't forget to share with your friends also. Thank you.